Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Liz and this is Simply Homeschool. If you're new here, I am a homeschooling mom. I like to do curriculum reviews. I like to do hauls, shop with me's, activities. So I homeschool my daughter and I homeschool my nephew. So usually the hauls have to do with kids or homeschool or the mom life, things for the home, anything that pertains to a mom, I guess, and a teacher. If you'd like to stick around, I have a haul from the 99-cent store. So jumping right in, I found this little birthday cake slime mix-in set. Now, I know that slime was this huge craze and every kid wanted to make it and they just went crazy over it. So it's kind of dying out now, but I just figured for $1.99 it comes with the little like glitter and sprinkles, and then it comes with the actual slime. For $1.99 I thought that this would be cool for my daughter's prize box. Now she has a prize box that she gets for homeschool. I've explained it through other videos, but I'm gonna put this in there for her for this coming up school year. So I got that. I also came across this Sweet Sense jewelry making set. It comes with 68 alphabet beads, 3 assorted scented bead bags, 3 text beads, 3 scented charms, and 1 elastic cord. I thought that this was super cute. Another thing to go into her little box. Depending on what they are, they're gonna have different prices and she'll have to earn money from school depending on how good she is or how well she does, you know, without any interruptions or, you know, whining about having to do something. So I'm gonna give her money, which is play money, but it'll help her in counting and learning how to budget. Say she wanted this and it was $10. She would have to save up that money until she reached $10 and then she could buy this with her money. So I thought that this was super cute and everything smells. That's kind of cool. I know that kids like love that right now. Okay, so if you've been on my channel before, you know that I try to stay away from artificial dyes and colors for my daughter and my son, but mainly my daughter. So they had these high chews, and I know that I've hauled these before and I've talked about them, but to get them for $1.50, that is not bad. So I got the sweet and sour watermelon and grapefruit. The watermelon is my favorite. It's super good. And then so I got 2 of those, and then I got the yogurt mix. It's blueberry yogurt, plain yogurt, and strawberry yogurt, and all of these are really delicious. So I got those. I also came across this little dog grooming set. It's for your dog's nails or cats. Now I thought that this would work super good because it has a LED light and a magnifying glass on there, so you can actually see, you know, if you've been on my channel again, you know I cannot see very well. So with this, it'll help, especially because my dog is super grumpy. He's super old and he's gonna hate this anyways. So I'm hoping that this will make it a little bit easier on myself and my dog. So I got this, and this was only $3.99. I also got this movie theater popcorn. My son absolutely loves popcorn. Oh my goodness, I have to hide the popcorn from him so he doesn't ask for it. So I got this for him. They had another one of these slime kits. This is Kawaii Cuties. So it's a blind bag. We don't know what kind we're gonna get in there. Let's see what flavors there are. Blueberry cupcake, cotton candy, caramel apple, or grape popsicle. So we have no idea what's in there. It was 99 cents and it comes with the glue and the activator, and they actually smell. So another scented item. So I thought that that would be cool for her little prize box also. The more you put in their prize boxes, the better, because then it gives them something to work towards, you know, so that they have an incentive. So So I came across this bingo game. I've gotten these in previous hauls. I got the time and the money and we absolutely love them. We use them. So this is the United States. It comes with 8 bingo cards, 42 United States cards, and 70 bingo chips. So I saw this and knew I had to have it. 99 cents, you can't beat the price. And then they also had an alphabet one, which I thought would be perfect for my nephew. He'll be 5 in December, and my son will be 3 in September. He's not quite ready for this, but you know, in the next half a year or year, he'll be good to go. I also came across these little self-ink stamps. These are also alphabet. I thought that these would be cool for teaching my nephew and my son as well. We could play all different types of games with these, or you know, even if I called out where's the A, and then they stamp it in a box on a paper, or however I decide on what to do. But this was $2.99. This would also work for journaling, anything like that. So I thought that this would be cool. So I also came across these little mystery mini figures. They are Crossroads. Is that what it's called? Crossy Road. So they're blind bags. You never know what you're gonna get. So I got 2 of those also for my daughter's prize box. I had to get me some couscous. My family loves couscous. As you know, we used to be vegan, now vegetarian, but my daughter still eats meat. Long story short, we love couscous. So I found these organic couscous from at 99 cent store. So you can't beat that price. What else do I have in here? Okay, so my son loves the new Spider-Man movie that's on Netflix. He just loves it. So when I came across these little Spider-Man tattoos, I knew I had to give them or get them for him. I recently just put a tattoo on him. Okay, so he did not like it very much. He's like, trying to pick it off. He's wondering why he has this thing on his hand or his arm. He just kept like messing with it, but eventually he would show me and be like, tattoo, tattoo, how cool. So I'm hoping he loves these. So I got those for him. I'm gonna be redoing my schoolroom soon. I just organized everything. Well, not everything, we still have a long way to go. But I did find this at the 99 cent store. It's to hang up posters and stuff on the walls without having to tack them into the wall. So I am loving this, especially because if we're changing the schoolroom every single year, I don't want a million different tack marks. Previously, I've used tape and tacks. So I'm hoping that this sticks to the paint on my wall, but I found this and thought, what the heck, 99 cents. It's worth the try. Better than puttying the wall when I need to paint it again. I came across this activity book. It's for spelling. It has different letters and little activities with letters. So I thought that this would work for the new upcoming year with my nephew because he will be in pre-K. Also, I found this numbers book, very similar to the spelling book. It has the numbers and then activities and coloring pages and things like that. Dot to dot, addition, obvious. Well, he may actually be able to do this with my help. So I found that. Nothing else in that bag. So moving on to the next bag. Okay, you guys, look at these. They are for your styling tool case. So your hair straightener, your crimpers, your curling irons. I want to actually open this to see what it looks like inside, but it says heat resistant lining, fits heat instruments up to 14 inches long, back pocket for easy cord storage. Let's see. So it has, I liked this. They had like a flower one. They had like a cheetah. What other ones did they have? I don't remember, one other one. So there's 4 total. But I liked the stripe. But there's a zipper that goes all the way around. And then here it is right here. So both these sides, and then it has this little pocket in the center. I'm guessing this is where the cord would go, and then your instrument would go on that side, or your instrument. like your straightener here and then the cord in here. I'm not sure if you could fit another thing in here, but that is how that works. I love that, especially when you're traveling, you're worried, you know, about, I don't know. I wouldn't put it in here hot anyways, just because I would worry too much that it would like start on fire or something. So I found that. I got myself and my sister one. And then I found these cool little games. So this is by Apple House. This is a rhyme sorting activity. So I thought that this would be fun. It looks like on the back. So it says like, what rhymes with night? And then, I don't know, I'm guessing that you have to find the right card that matches it, and there's sight, so I'm guessing that that would be it. So I found that. So here is an alphabet sorting activity. So you find what item belongs with what letter. And then the noun sorting activity. So that's pretty cool. And then here's the back. And then there's the words. Okay. Next, I needed some more hangers. I love these hangers. If you have a smaller size closet, I swear these hangers save room and they actually grip the clothes really well. My suggestion is do not try to pull down on the shirt like for it to slide off, because it doesn't, and then this breaks from the metal piece. But moving on, so usually you'd get these for much more expensive than $1.99. They come with 8 for $2. That was a steal. I think the Dollar Tree you get 2 for $1. So this is a better buy for sure. Okay, you guys, I saw this and I thought it would be super cute for, okay, it doesn't look that cute on, but look what it does. It lights up. I think we'd have to like readjust the flowers and stuff, but look how cute that is. Like if you're going somewhere, an amusement park, or I don't know, anywhere. Look how, oh gosh, that stuck to my hair. Look how cute that is though. So it does that. Has different settings. That setting, just the plain on and then off. But it was $1.99. So I got this for my daughter. The only thing that's gonna bother me is like this huge battery pack, but oh well, she's 7, so. The last things I got were these. Mrs. Butterworth Breakfast for 1. This is a cinnamon roll pancake pack. It comes with 4 individual packets. So I got the cinnamon flavor. I got 2 of those. I'm hoping they're good. And then I got this one by Duncan Hines, and it's maple brown sugar oat cup mix. It's a serving for 1 also. It comes with 4 individual packets. And it says no artificial preservatives, no artificial flavors, 18 grams of whole grain per serving. So that's pretty cool. Does it say anything on it about that? No artificial flavors or preservatives also. And that is it. That's what I got from the 99-cent store. I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. If there's anything at all that you like, or give me a review on any of these items that you've actually tried or used for your homeschool or your kids, or let me know what you think about this, you guys, because I have never tried this brand. I usually get, what is it called? Something East. What is it called? Something East, I think, and we love that brand. So I don't know, so let me know. But yes, so thank you guys for checking out this channel. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe, the notification bell, and the likes. And if you're already if you guys are already subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. So thank you guys. Be blessed always.